Good morning, everybody. Mr. Alexson here on a quick tutorial to make sure that we are taking attendance each and every day in the right course. And I just want to show you a couple quick things so that we are making sure that we're counting you as being part of our distance learning plan. So when you sign into your Google Classroom, obviously your classes are going to look a lot different than mine, but I'm using Ms. Schultz's class as an example on how to do your attendance. So if you click into your attendance class, you can see right here, it'll say attendance and then your teacher's last name. Some of it will be for who your homeroom advisor or Jumpstart teacher is, but you may have somebody who is new. So I'm going to click into the course. And instead of just typing in on the stream, you're going to go up to the top and you're going to click on classwork. Under classwork, you're going to see some different agenda items, and you're always going to go down to the attendance, and each day you'll see that there is a date listed on what day you're going to do your attendance. So today is Tuesday, March 31st. I'm going to click into my attendance, and very simple. It says, are you here and ready to learn? And all you need to do is click yes, turn in, and just by doing that, you'll have submitted your attendance for the day. Remember, this is posted at 9 o'clock a.m. each and every day, so it'll be ready to go for then. Don't try to do it before 9 o'clock because it will not have been posted. Just remember, you have from 9 o'clock till the end of the day to make sure you do your attendance. Hope everybody's doing well. We miss you. Take care. Please email me if you have any questions. Thanks.